Hi friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will see 400 watt amplifier. This is audio input. And this is speaker output. You can use 4 ohm or 8 ohms speaker. This is speaker ground. This amplifier work on plus minus 50 volt to 80 volt DC, symmetrical, power, supply. This all resistor are of 1 watt. And this resistor are of 2 watt. Rest of the resistor are of half watt. You can adjust the DC offset with this preset. This amplifier based on NPN and PNP transistor. Use only genuine components to make this amplifier. It can easily drive 15-inch speaker. Use 50 volt 10 ampere transformer. If you like our videos then please subscribe our channel.